If you're planning a trip to the UK this year, it's important to know that they just instituted some big changes for travelers. It's called an ETA, and if you don't have it, you could get denied entry at the border or even barred from your flight. The big kicker, it applies whether you're visiting for a month or just an hour. But don't worry, this video will explain everything you need to know about the new UK ETA rules, who needs it, who doesn't, how much it costs, and most importantly, the process for applying. First things first, what's an ETA? Well, it stands for Electronic Travel Authorization, and it's intended for visitors traveling to UK territories for short-term stays. The UK ETA is designed to assess travelers' eligibility before they board a flight to the UK. It's kind of like a pre-clearance system, sort of a TSA pre-check for a whole country. It's not quite like a visa, but more of a government-issued approval secured in advance. Is it a way to get more money out of tourists? Maybe. 41 million people visited the UK in 2024, so they're certainly going to make a significant amount of money off of it. Still, the ETA is way cheaper than a visa and aims to provide more modern security and a smoother experience at arrival. More importantly, it went into effect on January 8th, so it's the law of the land whether we like it or not. So why the change? Traditionally, the United Kingdom has allowed people from loads of other countries to enter visa-free. This includes places like Australia, Singapore, Japan, and you guessed it, the United States. However, in an effort to enhance border security and cut down on issues at the gate, the UK has decided to pre-screen these passengers going forward. They claim this will allow them to better identify potential risks before they arrive in country. Again, the good news is that the ETA system is cheap and pretty easy. And I can speak from experience because I literally just got back from the UK and had to go through this new additional step. So who needs an ETA? Obviously, the biggest question people have when a new travel rule pops up is, does this apply to me? Most likely the answer is yes. Right now, the only people exempt from the ETA are those with a visa, a British or Irish passport, or legal UK residency. It even applies to children and babies just like passports do. Also keep in mind that the UK isn't just England. The ETA applies if you're flying to Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland, or any of the British overseas territories like Bermuda or Turks and Caicos. Let's break it down this way. If you're staying at the airport and you're not visiting one of these countries, no ETA needed. But if you're going past border control for any reason, even to take a photo of the parking lot, you'll need an ETA. With the ETA, you can visit the UK for up to 6 months. You can also use it as many times as you want to for up to 2 years or until the passport it's tied to expires. Finally, the ETA will only cost you about £10 or $12.75 USD. Now, in terms of the process to get an ETA, it is pretty simple. The entire ETA application can be done online via a handy app. Just download the UK ETA app from the App Store. If you prefer, you can apply for your ETA online at gov.uk. To apply, you're going to need the following: a valid passport, a digital headshot, which you can either upload or take in the app, an email address, and a payment method. Just follow the step-by-step instructions. Upload a photo of your passport and a clear digital headshot, then pay the application fee. Take note that it can take 3 business days, sometimes longer, to process your application. So do not wait until the last minute and try to apply the night before your trip. Once you get your application confirmation, your ETA will be automatically linked to your passport. You don't need to print anything. That said, I would save the confirmation email just in case there are any issues. When you arrive in country, all you need to do is scan your passport and you'll be good to go. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out this video on more travel changes happening in 2025. Thanks for watching and happy travels.